What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil. Before I start my video, if you have not already registered to the free webinar, please do so because it's totally free and you can get tons of knowledge there about market coloration and market dynamics. And you can also get to know which account suits according to your trading style. If you're a scalper, if you're a swing trader, if you're a day trader, you can get to know what type of account that suits you. And I'll be there live as well to answer any questions you may have. And starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? Price is now pushing lower within our demand zone. Now at this point, what I'm looking at personally, go back on 1 hour time frame right here. We already had a formation of a double bottom pattern right here. If you see, first bottom, we have a pullback. Then we have a second bottom right here with this green candle. Now it is a very aggressive way to enter double bottoms with a small green candles. Now at this point, that is also a valid condition, but I'll be closely looking at this rejection box. If I enter this type of trade right here with this double bottom, I keep my stop loss somewhere below and take profit wherever you want to take it. But we have a good condition. We are also getting an RSI divergence right here, weakening in bearish momentum. For now, I can see a price is pushing lower, but sometimes I have seen that price pushes lower with a wick, then it pushes back up. So if you want to be very careful with your entries, then let's see how this candle closes. If this closes as a red candle and then pulls back up with a wick, and then we have another green candle, that is also a strong buy signal. So that is what I'm looking at on 1 hour time frame. Let's go back on 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, this candle has not closed yet. So I still not look for bearish trades once this candle is closed fully. I want to see one more red candle closed below the zone in order to take my sell trades with conditions only, because most of the time price do something like this, which I call a fake out. If it's a fake out, it will push back up again, something like this. If you see, we have a big push down, then the price closed as a pin bar. So I'll be closely looking at this condition right here. If it closed as a red candle and then we have another red candle closed below, then we have a signal that price wants to continue to push lower. Otherwise, we can still get a red candle closed below and then we can get another candle closed back up, or we can get a candle closed below and then have a green candle closed back up. So very important to look at these points so that you don't get caught with some sort of moves that the price is going to crash and you start selling here. Make sure you look for the conditions, signals, what I've just explained to take your trades. Again, in a nutshell, we have a double bottom here, which is a weak double bottom, aggressive double bottom right here. If you want to enter it, stop loss below, take profit wherever you want to take it. If you are not an aggressive trader, I'll see how this red candle closes. If it closes back up, and then I want to see another big bullish engulfing candle for me to have a very good entry. Once we have that, we are good to go along with that. Otherwise, I look for all the condition. If it closes below with two big candles, then I'll start to look for my sell trades only. Now here on capital.com, we have an absolutely valid condition right here. This bullish engulfer is a valid condition, swing low, bullish engulfer, but price is still pushing lower. And if you go back on 1 hour time frame, exactly the same I just mentioned, but we are still in the area of value right here, which is 3.248 goes into 3.370. Now again, I won't be looking for double bottoms on this platform. If you are trading, I trade on O&A, that's why I look for conditions there. But if, let's say, if this candle closed as a bearish candle, let's say it closes back up again, then we have a good confirmation of a double bottom pattern on 1 hour time frame. Let's say if this candle closed as a red candle, then I want to see a next candle as a bullish engulfing candle. So we can have a signal within this zone. If we have that, we are good to go long, and some bounce that is enough to hit your target. So that's what I'm looking at for net gas. These are the conditions I'll be paying attention to take my trades. This is a big pullback and we can get a condition within the zone. Sell trades will be only if you have a good bearish momentum, and then I look for the pullback followed by bearish conditions. For now, I'm not taking bearish trades as long as I see a confirmation that price wants to push lower. Here, if you're trading on this platform, I want to see a next candle as a bullish engulfer after the hit of this zone. If we have that, we have a good signal that price will push up from here. Price is now about to hit the level of support, which is right at the number in blue. If you have a condition here, we are good to go long. Otherwise, all the condition I've just mentioned is exactly the same. If there is no condition, we have a break below. I look for my sell conditions after that. So let's see how it closes. If it closes below and then we have another candle pushes back up, or we have a good momentum below that. So patience is the key. We need to be patient to take our entries accordingly. Next one, we have gold. Gold has played out nicely from Fibonacci level. If you are an aggressive trader, like I mentioned yesterday, if you are an aggressive trader, your entry would have played out at 50% retracement right here, and stop loss below this pattern. Now if you have entered at 50% retracement, one ATR target has been hit already, $11, and ATR is $9. And if you have your stop loss below this rejection box, then $17 is your target, and then you can manage it to 1.618 retracement, which is $28 target. So that is how you can manage your trades if you want to. Price is still pushing higher, and if you have another break above this high, in that case I'll start to look for another pullback to 786 retracement. We can get a likely condition here to take another long till the price hit my zone above, which is a level of major resistance right up there. 1965.65 goes up to 1979.07, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trades only. So for now, I'm just looking bullish trades out of gold. Next one, we have silver, as nicely played out with the bullish engulfing pattern. If you are my student, we have a good new high followed by bullish engulfing pattern, and then we have a good signal. ATR of this candle is 19 points, and as you can see, the price has hit 20 points. It pushed up more than that. As you can see, it pushed up more than 2 ATR, and if you have managing this trade, price is pushing up nicely. So let's see what I've said in my last video so that you can also understand the conditions and entries. I want to see a nice pullback to 20 or 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. Once we have that, we have a good chance the price will keep on pushing higher. Nice one. So that is how we enter the trades with conditions only. Now I'm expecting some pullbacks out of silver. Once we have a pullback, another condition, something like this, I'm going to take another long till the price hit the next level of resistance, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming video, which is quite high. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, we are only going to take buy trades for now. Last one, we have crude oil. Nice one. We have a nice push down out of crude oil, and I've mentioned yesterday that we are getting a bearish engulfer, and it is also a weak signal. It is a valid entry, but also a weak entry because it is a minor resistance, and I've said that minor resistance sometimes don't react, but it did react nicely from the level of resistance, minor resistance, and price is pushed lower. And I've said that I'm going to only take a little scalp out of crude oil right here. After a hit of 50 EMA, we are getting a rejection. For now, if next candle we have a bullish engulfing candle, we have a buy signal, and price will likely push up, and we can get a possible double top pattern, another push down or a pullback before the price breaks above and keep on pushing higher towards the next level of resistance, which I've already mentioned yesterday, which is right here, the number in blue, if you want to plot these zones on your charts. So for now, I'm just looking for a next candle. If we have a very next candle closed as a bullish engulfer, we have a buy signal. If not, then I'll see if the price head lower to the next level of support, which is a rejection box as well. If we have that, we have a double bottom pattern, and I'll take another long from here. So long from here, or if you have a condition here, then long from here, or if we have no condition, price pushes up. I see a rejection. If no rejection, then I'll look for a pullback and keep on taking my bullish trades out of crude oil. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM on Instagram, or you can email me at support@moneymarkets.net. If you're getting value, please do not forget to hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.